I will be explaining what this means in coming days, but let's just start playing with it. So f of x plus h with this function means put in an x plus h everywhere there's an x, right? So I'd have x plus h quantity squared minus 3. So that's, I'm just going to use some color coding, that's this part. Then this says subtract f of x. Okay, subtract, that's just this, x squared minus 3, and you know you're going to need to put parentheses there. All divided by h. Okay, it does say simplify, so let's invest the time to multiply things out. You know how to multiply that out quickly. X squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus a 3, and I'm going to distribute this negative through, and it's all over the h. So let's identify what cancels. So I see a 3 and a negative 3, x squared and a negative x squared. So what am I left with? 2xh plus h squared. Oh, I think that's all that's left in the numerator. So now be very careful you don't do bad math. Bad math would just say cancel one of those guys. You can't do that, right? So you need to factor an h out of the numerator. Then you can cancel the h's and you get 2x plus h. Okay, let's try that same kind of thing with this function. So this here would be 3 times x plus h squared plus x plus h, right? All of that is that. And so then let's do subtract f of x. So subtract this guy all over h. So let's invest some time simplifying or multiplying out. I'm going to take the time to keep that 3 on the outside. And I'm going to say this I know multiplies to x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. And then this doesn't really need parentheses, so plus x plus h. And then I'm going to multiply this negative through, negative 3x squared minus an x all over an h. And then just so I don't make a mistake, I'm going to take the time to multiply this 3 through. So let's do that. So I get 3x squared plus a 6xh plus a 3h squared. And then all of this just carries along, but I am noticing the x's go away. Plus h minus 3x squared all over h.
You got a timer on that cheese?
No, can you turn it off? Thank you. So then let's look and see what cancels. The 3x squared and the 3x squared cancel. And then I've got what's left over. 6xh plus 3h squared plus h all over an h. Again, it would be really, really bad math to just cancel those h's. You can't do that. So what you need to do is factor an h out of every term in the numerator. 6x plus 3h, and to factor an h out of h, that just leaves you with 1, right? Those cancel, and so this would be the answer.